intelligence to generate images for you to use in an educational setting. Now this could be for yourself or for the students. Now there are a range of different options you can use, but Padlet is a nice free one, and then there's Canva as well. So I've started my blank wall. I'm using the plus button down the bottom. Now using the 3 dots here, I'm going to click I can't draw. Now I'm going to use a prompt to generate an image that might relate to my lesson. I'm thinking in a narrative sense, and this could be used across a range of year levels, thinking about traditional tales or sequencing events even, and then adapting those events for the upper grades. So I'm just going to go with a really simple prompt. You can see here that I have put in a style, and I'm going to change those styles as I go. So just clicking enter, and it will generate those images which you get to choose. You'll see those shortly. So you can see here that it's taken my my prompt and it's created an option. Now out of those 4, they're not all perfect, but however I actually want to use that one for later, so I might keep my prompt for that. I'll copy it, and then I'm going to choose this first one. Now this image will load, and you can actually save that image. It will work on an iPad as well, but I'm just going to generate a whole bunch of them, so bear with me. Okay, so what you can see here, what I've done is I've generated a series of images. I've got the first one, I've got Red Riding Hood walking through the forest, then you've got your grandma and the wolf, then it comes with Red Riding Hood seeing the grandma in the wolf's clothing, and then we've got the huntsman with his axe at the door. So these are all in different styles, and I put that in the prompt for an anime style or an oil painting style. I tried to do Pixar, but it didn't quite work on this one. This was the best option that I had, and this one was obviously from our first one that I really liked. Now the choices that you can go from here. You could save all these, you could distribute it to students, they could discuss how it fits the story, they could sequence it, they could use AI themselves to generate a new image if they are adapting the story or adding an extra scene or plot device in. You could import it into Keynote and make a comic strip out of it. The uses are endless.